Welcome to Arch Game Plan, where we sketch the truth behind the architecture life. Just starting architecture school and already drowning in tools you've never heard of? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm breaking down the must-have software every architecture freshman needs to survive and actually thrive. Let's build your architecture starter pack. First up, the OG of architecture software, AutoCAD. This is your go-to tool for 2D drafting. Professors love it, and yes, they'll expect you to learn it early. It's where you'll do your floor plans, sections, and basic technical drawings. Pro tip, learn shortcut keys. They save your life during late-night submissions. Next is SketchUp, your best friend for fast 3D modeling. It's super beginner-friendly, perfect for conceptualizing ideas quickly without being overwhelmed. You'll use this for massing, quick renders, and design iterations. Ready to level up? Say hello to Revit. This is where things get smart. Revit is a BIM, building information modeling software, meaning it's not just drawings, it's data-driven design. Update one view and everything syncs. It's amazing for large-scale, complex projects. You might not need it in your first month, but trust me, get familiar early. It's becoming an industry standard. Let's talk visuals. Meet D5 Render, a newer, sleek, real-time rendering tool. If you like seeing your designs come to life instantly, this one's for you. It's lightweight, pretty intuitive, and gives high-quality output with minimal effort. Plus, it works smoothly with SketchUp and Revit. Another rendering powerhouse is Enscape. It's loved for real-time walkthroughs and lighting simulations, works directly inside Revit and SketchUp, so you can see your model in realistic lighting and textures as you design. Great for client presentations or critiques. If you want cinematic renders, Lumion is your tool. Think animated trees, realistic skies, people walking. It's like giving your model a heartbeat. It's heavier on the system, but worth it when you need show-stopping visuals for a final review. And there you have it, your architecture software starter pack. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try, or which one already stresses you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more architecture hacks, tips, and tools. Until next time, design smart, render hard.